Audio check. Sairam, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. A very good evening to one and all present over here. Okay, I've got the students back again here. Oh my God, all those students. One last day. Hi, Sudeshna, Devika, Yatharth. Yatharth, you've got your sister today as well, right? That's great. Sanyukta, and I've got all of the students. Chehak, okay, Soumya, Himaksh. Yeah, Himaksh, how are you? Okay, Shaina, Disha, Anagha, and who's this? Somebody with the horns over there. I think that's Dhruvi. Yeah, I can see that. Ashreya, then Adya. Adya is back again here. Okay, that's a lovely. Vishwa, I can see you. Radhika, I can see you. Who's this guy with the graduation hat? Okay, Devarshi Guha. Okay, I'm able to see you better. Okay, Arav here, Samhita here. Well, welcome to the session on Code India Code, the last day. Code India Code date number. Is it two? Is it three? I forgot. Is it four? No, it's seven. Absolutely. Code India Code Day 7, the last day and the grand finale. Today we are going to write some exams. Do you know, Aditi? Yeah, we're going to write some exams today. And based on the exams, I'll understand how much you've learned on Scratch, MIT App Inventor, Google Teachable Machine, and lots of other things. Shan and Snegan, then Arnesh, then Snigdha. Everybody is going to write some exams today. And trust me, you will love the question paper. It's not going to be what you mean by photosynthesis. It's not going to be, can you make a program on Scratch? No, it's really going to trigger your brain cells. You're going to love writing this exam. But there is a complexity in this particular exam. Now, what kind of complexity are we talking over here? That means this exam will be available to you only from 8 o'clock today night till 8 o'clock tomorrow night. It's a proper 24 hours exam. You don't have to write all the time. Don't worry. You have to write it only once. Let me repeat it. You'll be able to attempt this exam only once, and you will be getting the question paper right on the YouTube live chat and the Zoom chat present over here. You just have to click on the link. It's a basic Google form which will take you to another page, and the questions will be listed over there. There are two types of question paper. Listen to me very carefully, Samaira. There are two type of question paper. One is a question paper for students of grade 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, and another question paper, Sai Siddha, that is for grade 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. It's like that. So there are two question papers based on the class that you are in. If Shaurya is in class 6, say for example, he'll have to select that particular grade and you have to click on next and it'll take you to that particular question paper. Will that be fine? What is the difficulty in this question paper? It can be attempted only once. But some of you might think, questions kaisa hoga? Will I really know about it? Will I don't know the answer and all those things? Yeah, definitely you will know the answers. And in this particular session, I'm going to give you a glimpse about how those questions are going to be. So Satyam, I'll be putting some questions on the screen right away, right after this. And right after that, you should be able to answer the question one by one. The best part is these questions are multiple choice questions. अगर आंसर नहीं आता तो what do? In, pin, septi, pin, in, pin, out, and like that you have to do and just select one answer. No, I'm pretty sure you will love answering the questions. It's going to be really, really very, very easy. And once you have done with the questions, you will be getting the certificates only after that. All the students who have been regular for the last 7 days, like Adya, like Radhika, like Himaksh, like Trisha, I've been seeing you all 7 days, even Chehak or Ayungshu, everyone out there. So I am going to give you certificates from Code India Code, and you will be getting the certificates only after attempting the test. Will that be fine, Yatharth and Ethan? Say yes. That's great. That's great. Shall we quickly start with the session today, Shan? Absolutely, absolutely. Here we go. So what we are going to do today, I'm going to show you the questions. I'm going to play a proper quiz game. And आज का session ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं होगा. I'll speak it, I'll keep it very crisp. I'll speak very less, and you can carry on with your day. Yeah, Shaurya, will that be fine? Okay, here we go. So the first thing before we start, I would like to quickly do a small recap of what we did. First and the most important, last 6 days we had a lot of fun. Don't you believe that? Yeah, we really enjoyed the session. We saw so many games out there. We played TikTok, we played rock paper scissors, we played what else, Pac-Man a little bit. We also saw some movies yesterday. Yeah, you were able to understand different types of robots, what is the importance of programming. Adil was very clearly understanding what is the meaning of sense organs and how it is actually connected to Sensors. Yeah, you're right. You said the right thing. And on a similar note, right after that, we also discussed about artificial intelligence and Yukta. You remember? Yeah, just like Norvin is required to have lots and lots of practice with multiple examples, even machine requires such kind of examples, and such kind of learning is called as machine learning. We did about all these things one by one. We also made some games on Scratch, if you remember. What is that game called as? I forgot. I think it was that maze game, right? Yeah, correct. I remember. Okay, some of your screen background is maze. I can see that. That's great. So similarly, yeah, Sean, I can see that. So similarly, right after that, I think we also made some mobile application using some sensors of your mobile phone, and that was fun, I think. And you guys were able to walk along the streets, and you were able to count the steps. You guys know what is the meaning of Soumya, I'm able to see your phone. Yeah, you were able to understand what accelerometer is, what gyroscope is. Oh my god, in the last 6 days, so many things we have learned, right? Anyways, you just have to learn more and more. Yeah, it's totally accessible out there. My videos will be still there in Super Teacher official channel. Anytime anyone out there would like to know more about it, please look into these videos again and again, and trust me, you'll enjoy that. And in most of the videos, I've called out your name as well. Out of 15,000 people, out of 20,000 people, I'm able to see Adrika or Dhruvi or Disha or Ditya. That's a good thing, right? Okay, Prashika as well. Yeah, right here we go down now to the question paper. Before going to the question paper, students, this summer camp which we were talking about, what was the name? I again forgot. I'm forgetting lots of things today. What was that? Curiosity, right? So that Curiosity summer camp is organized by Super Teacher Edu Reforms, and this is starting from Monday. I think there's a batch starting on Monday. If anybody is interested to have direct communication with more training, you have to spend a little bit of amount, which is quite affordable. If parents are there out there, if your child is from grade 3 and above, you can please sign up for this particular fantastic training session of 40 hours. The students will get to learn lots and lots of information. It's not even 120 rupees per hour. So I think you can definitely apply for it. The students will get to know about storytelling using fantastic tools out there. The students will get to know on Scratch, MIT App Inventor, and lots of other things. Most importantly, for higher class students, there are some tools like Python as well, so they can still learn that. And the name of the website to apply for is superteacher.in. Yeah, you're right. Superteacher.in. Right after you go there, there'll be something called as Curiosity, and just enroll for it. That's it. That's it. So here begins the quiz right after this. Yeah. So students, some of the students, like this particular exam that I was talking about, this exam will be available to you right after the session. You will be able to open the link only after 8 o'clock. Let me repeat it, only after 8 o'clock. Now, where will I get the link? You will get the link on YouTube live chat. You will get the link on Zoom chat. You'll also be getting the link on the description part of the YouTube. This particular video, whatever we are looking at, it is getting saved in YouTube. Na? There will be one place called as description, just below the video. There'll be subscribe option, and there'll be, some description. In that particular area, you'll have exam link. So you can click on the link till what time? Show me in your hands. Yeah, 8 p.m. till tomorrow night 8 p.m. Tomorrow night 8 p.m. ke baad, if you click on that, that link will become disabled. It will not work. How long do you have for attempting the questions? Only 24 hours. Exactly. And these questions are going to be interesting. And some of the students out there wanted to know how these questions are. And to give you a glimpse about these questions as such, I'm going to show you right on the screen. You have to answer these questions one by one. Will that be fine? Say yes. Here we go. Okay, so the first question is going to be on the screen. Where is it? Where is it? Am I able to see that? Okay, I'm looking up. This particular question paper is common for all the grades. Don't think that मैं छोटा लड़का हूँ, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. There's nothing like that. Okay, okay. I go over here. I share my screen. Am I sharing my screen? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not. Okay. Okay. Where am I? Yeah, got it. Got it, students. It's going to come over here, right over here. The first question on the screen in another 3 seconds. So count 3, 2, and 1. Are you able to see the question? Here we go. Students, watch this. Observe the pattern on the right. Which of these, when repeated, creates the pattern? So this is the pattern which is there on the right. Which of these Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? Think and answer. You have to show on your screen. Like I'm able to see everyone out there. You have to show your fingers. Is it A1, B2, C3, and D4? Okay, okay, okay. I can see some of the students. Okay. Some are getting confused. Still not decided. Okay, here we go. So there's a pattern on the right side. It's like more of a chessboard, but in red and black. No, red and white. And the right answer for this question is everybody who said the answer to be 1, 2, and 4 are wrong. The right answer is 3. Absolutely. You got that, guys. You got that. Ikshita, it's C. C is the right answer, Ikshita. It's okay. Go for the next question. Yeah, shall we do that? Yeah, let's go. Next question, it's going to be pretty simple. Now whatever we are looking over here does not involve any subject sharia. Yeah, here we go. I go to the next question. 1, 2, 3. Now this particular question is on how you think, and I'm going to give you good amount of time. A brand new scooter has 2 new tires and a spare tire. Okay, also new. A tire can run 10,000 kilometers before it needs to be replaced. Relax, think, and answer. What is the maximum distance the scooter can run? I'm going to give you proper 30 seconds time. Okay, somebody has purchased a new scooter and they've got 2 tires, and right after that, 1 more new tire, a spare tire. What is the longest distance the scooter can actually go? Relax. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to show that. I'm going to wait for some more time. I'm going to wait for some more time. Okay. Okay. You should not show like this. No, you should show only one finger. Okay. Okay, here we go. 30 seconds almost up. 30 seconds almost up. Oh my God. Okay, I was just about to change the question. 30 seconds almost up. Yes, done, done. Time's up, time's up. So here we go. Students, a brand new scooter has 2 new tires and a spare tire. A tire can run 10,000 kilometers before it needs to be replaced. What is the maximum distance? Everybody who said the answer to be 2, 3, and 4 are wrong. The right answer is 1. It's 30,000 kilometers, students. Some of you are like, how? Yeah, is it possible? Okay, 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 that's okay, no problem, no problem. Okay. Oh, I got the answers. Sorry, it's my mistake. Yeah, it's my mistake. I got the right answer just now. I'm so sorry. I did not calculate. It's not A. Everybody who said A, C, and D are wrong. The right answer is B, actually. It's 15,000 kilometers. Yeah, whoever said 2 are right. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's my mistake, Navya. I'm so sorry. 15,000 kilometers is the right answer. The number got changed. I got confused. It's my mistake. Yeah, here I have to tell very important things, students. See, whenever we talk about different subjects, or whenever we talk about, subject or conceptual knowledge, uh, see, memorizing the textbook is one aspect, but what's more important is how you think. Yeah, now thinking skills comes up with various different aspects. One important aspect is imagination. How many of you imagined a scooter over here? How many of you imagined a car over here? A car was not supposed to be imagined. The imagination gets you the right answer. And imagination leads you to one more important term called as, you can make a note of it, called as pattern recognition. Anybody out there who is really good with pattern recognition, let me repeat it. Anybody out there who's really good with pattern recognition have very good scope for game development and coding. I'll repeat it. The people who are good with pattern recognition have very good scope with game development or coding. Shall we go to the next question now? Yeah, Mihika is like, chalo chalo aage jao, agla question dekhte hain. Here we go. I'm going to the next question. Watch this. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Jim had these 2 pumpkins. What could be mass of the small one? What could be mass of the small one? Think an answer. Yeah, this is for Shinjini. Uh-huh. This is for Ashraya. This pumpkin looks like me. No. I look like a pumpkin. No. Up to a certain extent, maybe yes. But okay, fine. Think and answer. Now, this is called as visualization, students. How can you visualize something and estimate something? Okay, Anaga is able to answer. Adrika is able to answer. Think and answer. What could be the mass of the smaller one? Smaller one, 1,200 grams is the total. Okay. Does this look half of this? You have to estimate. Does this look 1/4 of this? I don't know. I think according to me, the option should be, no, no, let me check the right answer. I don't want to think by myself. Okay. Okay. Got that. Got that. Okay. Got that. So everybody who said A, B, and D, 1, 2, and 4 are wrong. The right answer is C, 3. Absolutely. You got that. 300 grams is the right answer, students. This has to be 300 and that has to be 900. Only then 1,200 is possible. Fantastic. This is something related to estimation. Can somebody tell me how many medium-sized tomatoes contribute to 1 kilo? You can show in your hands. How many medium-sized tomatoes contribute to 1 kilo? Did you go ever shopping with your parents out there? Yeah, ask your father. He will definitely know. Right now, ask your father and tell me. 1 kilo टमाटर कितने सारे टमाटर होते हैं? 1 kilo tomato. This is called as estimation. Did you get the point? Medium-sized tomato. Some people are saying 10, some people are saying 15. Yeah, okay, got that. Galaxy M02. It's probably 10 to 15. Okay, that's okay. Depends on the size. Okay, how many medium-sized onions contribute to 1 kilo? Ask such questions to your parents, students. This is more important than calculating how much kilo, half kilo, gram, kilogram, and stuff like that. Anyways, let's go to the next question. That was with respect to estimation. Ashreya, would you like to see the next question? Say yes. Okay, here we go. This is again logical reasoning, and this is about us. We are all monkeys in one way or the other, right? Watch the question. This is quite tough. You have to just look into it properly. A monkey is climbing up a 12-meter tall vertical pole. Okay, that's a 12-meter tall vertical pole. Perfect. It climbs by 2 meters and rests for some time. While resting, it slips down by 1 meter. How much total distance has it covered, both up and down, when it finally reaches the top? Come on, students. Think and answer. I'm not going to disturb you. Some students are really irritated. ये तो max का question है. No, this is not max का question. Rather than monkey, think about you climbing the step. Okay. A monkey is climbing up a 12-meter tall vertical pole. It's a 12-meter. Let's count that. Okay, even I'm counting along with you. It climbs by 2 meters and rests for some time. Okay, 2 meters. Okay, then 1 meter. So totally 3 meters for one step. Okay. How much total distance has it covered, both up and down? Okay, 3. I got the answer. I got the answer. Okay, 12 meter. Some people are saying 32 meters. Some people are saying 18 meters. Some people are 36. Okay. I'll tell you the answer. Did we get the answer? Computer ji, jaldi se answer batao mujhe. I do not know if even I'm right. Okay, got that. Everybody who said the answer to be, hey, what is this? Adya, come up with one answer. Okay, you're counting it. Okay, go ahead. The right answer is everybody who said 1, 2, and 4 are wrong. The right answer is C. It's 32 meter. Absolutely. You need some more time to calculate that, but Anubrata is already there. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Now, such questions are going to come in your exam, students. You have got 24 hours. Only thing is you need to answer these questions within 24 hours. So today night, when I'm going to send the question paper, it is going to be very similar to this. Now, all these things which we are talking about over here, it builds your attitude towards a question. Now, this particular attitude or this particular thinking skill is very, very important when you actually make a computer program. It's not about formulas. It's not about social studies. It's not about English. It's about only one thing, and that's your attitude towards your thinking skills. Shall we go to the next question now, Avantika? Yeah, here we go. Now, one more question. Anubrita is excited. I can see that. And Akshobhya, watch this. This is so simple, Adrika. Look into this. You'll definitely be able to do. Okay. The two containers can hold 600 ml of juice when full. Okay, so these are the two containers. Which of the following could be correct about the juice filled in them? Hey Devarshi, get your brother's help. He'll be able to tell you the answer. Okay. No? Okay, Sanyu. The two containers can hold 600 ml of juice when full. Which of the following could be correct about the juice filled in them? You have got container number one, container number two. Tell me which of these statements is correct. Both have 300 ml. Both have less than 300 ml. No, it cannot be possible. One has 250 ml and two has 350 ml. And Sanyu, one has 350 ml and two has 250 ml. Think, think, think. I'm really not waiting. Okay. Okay. Yathat got whole family for answering this question. Yeah, Ethan is almost there. Sanvi still thinking. Anya, Samhita. Okay. 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 Novin brother has an answer with three. Okay, here we go. Lock kar dete answer. Let me ask the computer. Hey Shan, let's see. Okay. Oh, you're going to be happy. You're going to be happy. Everybody's going to be happy. The students who said option number A, B, and C are wrong. Oh, the right answer is 4. You're right. D is the right answer. One has 350 ml and two has 250 ml. You see the base over here. The base is quite big. Yeah, yeah, Samhita, you're absolutely right. On the other side, the base is small. It cannot be equal, right? Shan, that was very simple, man. You could have got that. Let's go to the next one. Are you ready for that? Okay, 1, 2, 3. The next question on the screen right now. Come on, this is too simple. You shouldn't take more than 10 seconds. Observe the complete or incomplete puzzle on the right side. Which of the following is the missing piece? Come on, come on, come on. Dhriti, look at the computer and answer. Come on, hurry up. Okay, perfect. 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 Many students are saying that. Watch this very carefully. Look into the options very properly. Okay, Sylvie has got the answer. Jasraj has gotten. Okay, who's that? Viksha has got the answer. Okay, Druhina is literally fighting for the answer. Yeah, I can see that, Druhina. Okay, here we go. Okay, computer ji jaldi se answer batao. Mujhe bachcho se baat karna hai. Here we go. Students, the right answer is everybody who said option number 1, A, option number C, 2, or option number D are wrong. The right answer is B, B for ball. 2 is the right answer. Absolutely, just Raj, you got that right. Yeah, Sylvie, you too. It's a very simple question, right? Now, this is again related to pattern recognition. I'll tell you one extra information, students. Here you can see multiple square boxes, right? Now, indirectly, these square boxes, if it is actually there on your mobile phone, these are actually called as pixels. Have you ever heard about this thing called as mera phone 15 megapixel ka hai? My phone is 120 megapixels or 48 megapixels. You would have heard about all such terms. Pixels means these square boxes which give you clarity to your picture. Yeah. Anyways, you can make a note of this word called as pixels, and you can learn about it a little later. Again, related to pattern recognition and a little bit of logical reasoning. Let me go to the next question on the screen, and I think this is the last question. Finally, the last question, Shripati. Let me see if you are able to answer that. 1, 2, 3. This is tough. This is tough. The sketch was drawn on a page. You can see that on the right side. How would the image appear on the back of the page when it is flipped up? It's not completely turned the other side, students. It is just flipped up. So I would like to give you a clarity on this. If this is the book, it will be flipped up like this. That's all, nothing else. Just one flip. Yeah, if it is flipped, how would it look like? Okay, it's quite confusing, right? Think about it. Just try to imagine. This is pure visualization. Visualization, Shripati, it is. Okay, Niyati is enjoying this. Some people already got the answer. Hey, some of you are drawing and figuring it out. Smart of you. Okay, Nivriti got that. Anushka, Divija, Himanshi, Sanjay, Evelyn, pretty Evelyn got the answer. Okay, Smart Sharja also got the answer. Here we go. Here we go. Computer G, tell me the answer. Yeah, I got the answer. Here we go. Students, watch this carefully. Some of you are going to be very disappointed. Everyone who said A, C, D are wrong. The right answer is B. B for ball. Absolutely, you're right. Yes, it's all about imagination. The paper has to go upside, and you are able to look at the screen at the back side. I mean, it's like the other way. It's pure imagination, students. You have to draw it on the notebook and see. Everybody who said the answer to be B, you're right. Let me stop sharing the screen now. I have something more interesting on the game part. And Yeah. Did you like the quiz, by the way? Say yes. Yeah. Would you like to see one more question? A very simple one. One last question. Yeah. Chalo, I'll show you one more last question and then we'll close it. I'll just go. I click on share screen and here we go. Watch this. Watch this. One last question right after this. And this nobody should make it wrong. I really request this. Nobody should make it wrong. Question on the screen in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hey, it's about a dinosaur. Watch this. The following image shows a T-Rex and a human skeleton. Okay. How tall could be the dino? You can see the measurement over here. Okay. That's probably Samat. No, Samat is small. Is it Srijan? No. Yeah. Somebody big out there. I think it should be Yatharth. 180 centimeter. Okay. And this is dino over here. How tall could be the dino? You have to show 1, 2, 3, 4. Think about it. Come on, students. Come on. You got the answer? Got the answer? 15 more seconds still there, by the way. Hey, Adhya, did you get the answer? Okay. That's okay. Think and answer. That's okay. Okay, time's up. Time's up. Let me look at the students, what you have answered. Okay, I'm able to see your computers. Ishan, I can see that. Okay. 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 Most of the students are going to be very happy. Suhani, tell me an answer, beta. Okay, you got that. Okay, Sharanya, let's see this. So this is 180 centimeter. This has to be again 180 centimeter. 180, 180, it should be 360. Right after 360, that has to be 90. 360 plus 90, that's 450. Everybody who said the answer to be 2, all right. Yeah, B is the right answer. A, C, and D are wrong. Okay, did you get the picture? As promised, I'm going to stop share this. I hope you love this. Students, coding, whatever you're looking at, it's more of a, I should say an attitude. I'll repeat that. Suppose if anybody out there would like to, if you know that you're good at drawing something, that means you're good with patterns. If everybody out there says that I am good with, breaking down problems, it's an art. You cannot break down a problem. Just imagine, suppose there are 5 periods today and all the periods are like different periods, maths, science, English, social, and Hindi. And in all these 5 periods, there were homework given. And if all the homeworks you did not do, it's a big problem. What do? You understand which is the first period, right? Suppose social studies is the first period. What do? You skip that period. You go to the toilet and don't come to the class only, right? But what is the second period? It's science. If it is science, you sit in the toilet and finish the science homework. You are able to solve the problem of social studies as well as science. When you come back to the science class, what is the next period? It's actually English, but there is a break before that. A breakfast break or a recess, whatever you call that. In that recess, you're able to finish the homework of English, and that's smart. So a big problem of 5 subjects, no homework done, you were able to solve it by breaking the problem. If anybody out there is, really good with, working out on all these things, you could be good programmers out there. I don't know how many of you do this, and you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to do homework at home. That's why it's called as homework. But still, if you're able to tackle all such problems, students, problem solving is an important art. You would have seen that whenever your father goes out to buy vegetables or fruits, he will understand how much is required for the next 15 to 20 days. In fact, even your mother will understand how much to cook for the lunch. All these things doesn't come with textbook knowledge. Yeah, it comes only with practice and only with thinking abilities and skills. So for you to understand all these things, I'm going to come up with questions like real life questions. You saw all these questions. It is not directly from the subject. It's more of pattern recognition. It's of logical reasoning and lots of things. That's it. That's it. I will be launching the question paper very soon, right after the session. It was great interacting with all of you for the last 6 days. We studied so many things, and I have an important message to all the students. Knowledge is really very important, students. Knowledge with good manners, implemented in real life, can make you a good human being worth the living. You do not understand. Na? Bahut bada statement tha. Can I repeat that? I'll repeat that once more. Listen to me carefully. Knowledge is very important in life. Yeah, you have to learn lots and lots of things, but it's more important to have good manners. Knowledge with manners, good manners, implemented, with good manners, will make you a good human being worth the living. You will love talking to each other. Anshwin like Adhya, Sharansh will like Adil. Everybody will like each other when there is good manners with good knowledge. So that's it from my side. I am going to say adios to everyone. I'll come back again with Code India Code Challenge. Again, I think after 2 months, not long. There are so many competitions out there where I would like to request everyone to participate. One of the major competitions with respect to coding is by IIT Bhubaneswar. I think they conduct this exam called as National Coding Olympiad. Some of you would have actually participated in that. So you can participate in competitions like that. Think a lot rather than studying. Think a lot. It's more important on that. I'll be sending you the question paper right away, and you can participate in that. More importantly, if anybody would like to join my training program along with me for 40 hours approximately, it's going to be 20 days per day, 2 hours. If you'd like to join, you can go and see this website called as curiosity or superteacher.in. Let me quickly show that to you once. You will get an idea. And I come over here, I share my screen, and here we go. So the moment I go to this website called as superteacher.in, let me repeat it, superteacher.in. This is how the page will come over here. You can close this and you can start looking into the page. On the top, you can see that curiosity written over here, and there's a small video over here. Please look into the video. You will get to understand what it is all about. Code India Code to khatam ho gaya. Season 1 Code India Code, it's completed. We'll be coming back again with Code India Code after some time, probably after 2 or 3 months. Until then, if anybody would like to know more about this, you can come back to the YouTube channel Super Teacher Official and look into the videos multiple times. If there are parents out there, please consider joining your children with curiosity. It's very affordable. The prices are very affordable. The students will get to know lots and lots of things. The way they learn matters more than what is taught. So the concepts like introduction to coding using Scratch, app development using MIT App Inventor, space technology, doodle art, storytelling, artificial intelligence, entrepreneurship, creative writing, and so on and so forth. So these are some of the topics which will be dealt during the training program. The batches starts from Monday, 7th of June. If anybody is interested out there, please give a try. You can see that we'll have multiple tests, multiple interactive sessions, and you can look into the video for more details. The course description is given in the same page. You can know more about it. In case if you want to learn more, know more about it, you can actually contact us by clicking on contact us, and there are some multiple areas that you're supposed to fill. Just fill this up, and we'll be getting back to you one by one. Oh, just did you get that? Yeah. So this is Super Teacher Thought in website to give you fantastic insights on what we actually do. There are some phone numbers here. Yeah. Make sure that just call these numbers and disturb them to know more about it. Yeah. That's great. Okay. Let me stop share the screen back again. Okay, that's it. I think everything is done. Now, one last thing about certification. Listen to me, students. Code India Code for 7 days. You have really put lots of efforts. You did a good job by joining on the session at time. Yeah. And you were there till 8 o'clock. You were ready to comment on Zoom, on YouTube Live. You did a good job. I would like to certify everyone who did that. But for certifying everyone out there, I would like to really know if you learned something. For that, I'm going to launch a question paper at 8 o'clock today. You will be receiving that in the YouTube description, on the Zoom chat and YouTube live chat. Right after getting that question paper will be enabled after 8 o'clock. And right after 8 o'clock till 8 o'clock, it will be valid. It has to be attempted only once. If suppose you're joining in, if you're starting the question paper and Harshil wants to go to the restroom and he closed the laptop, then khatam, you cannot do it again. Did you get the point? So once you start the exam, you will not take more than, I think, 25 to 30 minutes. If you're, I think that's maximum. Within half an hour, you'll be able to complete it. There are two set of question paper. One is for 3, 4, 5 grade, and then 6 and above the second question paper. Now, these two question papers you can attempt with only one mail ID, one attempt. I hope everybody got the point. Once I get to understand that all of you have attempted that, I will correct your papers. And after I correct my papers, I'll be giving you the certificate. Sir, mera mark certificates pe aayega kya? No, don't worry. Your certificates will not contain your marks, but I'll definitely understand how much you have learned during this program. Will that be fine, Shanvi? Say yes. Okay, got that, got that. Anyway, students, it was great interacting with one and all. Adya, Shinjini, I'm going to close the session right away. I'll miss you all. I'll definitely meet you back again with Code India Code season number 2. Will that be fine? Say yes. If you like the session, say bye. Take care, students. I'll meet you very soon. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. 7 to 8 has been massive for the last 7 days. I really appreciate all the students' dedication to be on time. Thank you so much. Great interacting with one and all. I would come down to your schools very soon to interact with you all. I hope so. Yeah. Take care. Take care. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel, Super Teacher Official. Yeah, do that. You'll get to know regular notifications. Lovely, lovely. Good to see everyone out there. The question papers are getting launched over there. Thank you, Ethan. Thank you, Sanyukta. Thank you, Aratrika. Good to see you all. I'll meet you very soon. Hey, Himaksh, you look good when you smile, man. Says, yeah. Chalo, take care. Ashreya, Samita, Dhriti. I'm waiting to say bye to everyone. It was great interacting today as well. You guys are very smart. Okay. Shesh. Okay, what's your name? E.T. Wow, I-T-T-Y. That's a nice name. Different. Anjana, Jagriti, Ashi. Hey, Snegan. You're there in some bridge. Okay, bye. Dhruvi, does that on, turn on or what? No, no batteries. Take care. Bye, bye. Chalo, I'm closing the session. I'll see you all very, very soon. The batch for Curiosity starts on Monday. Yeah, you can just click on the website to know more about it. I'll meet you all over there. Parents, consider to look at the website and know more about it. Hey, Ashmit, that's a good car right at the back, man. Yeah, I would like to have one of those one day in my life. Akshat, thanks, man. Have a nice time. Bye. I'll see you, everyone. Karthik, Zahra, Tanvi. Chalo, bye, students. I'm closing it.